note names. You know how we got notes all over the neck right here. Okay, so this is 0, 1. Those note names are E to F. That's a half step. You know, another good spot to do a half step would be right here at 7 to 8. See, I'm using finger 1 on fret 7. I'm using finger 2 on fret 8. Look at that, 2 fingers being used. Okay, so I count to fret 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lobster claw position at fret 7. Downstroke. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Bring down your second finger onto the 8th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release that second finger. Back to the first finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Power down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. These are called half steps. Fret 7. Fret 8.